Now let's solve this problem. Cosecant to the power of 4 theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to cot to the power of 4 theta plus cot square theta. In this problem, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Now let me write down the LHS. Solution. Cosecant to the power of 4 theta minus cosecant square theta. This is our LHS. Okay. Now look at this. This cosecant to the power of 4 theta. I can write it as cosecant square theta the whole square. Isn't it? See here. Cosecant to the power of 4 theta. I can write it as cosecant square theta the whole square. Because the value does not change. Okay. So I will write like this. Cosecant square theta the whole square minus cosecant square theta. Okay. Now we know the trigonometric identity. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Right? So this cosecant square theta, I will write it as 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Okay? To the whole square. Okay? Minus cosecant square theta. Now, look at this. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. And we know the formula of a plus b the whole square. That is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? Here we have 1 plus cot square theta the whole square. 1 plus cot square theta the whole square. Means what here? A is equal to 1. B is equal to cot square theta. So, in the place of A and B, let me write this. That is, A square means what? 1 the whole square. It is nothing but 1 plus B the whole square. Look at this carefully. B the whole square. What it will become? Cot square theta the whole square. Cot square theta the whole square plus 2 into A. A means 1. Into B, that is cot square theta. Okay. Now let's simplify. That is 1 plus cot square theta the whole square. What it will become? Cot to the power of 4 theta plus 2 ones are 2. 2 into cot square theta. That is 1 plus cot square theta the whole square is 1 plus cot to the power of 4 theta plus 2 cot square theta. So, this 1 plus cot square theta the whole square, I will write it as 1 plus cot to the power of 4 theta plus 2 cot square theta. 1 plus cot to the power of 4 theta plus 2 cot square theta minus. See again this cosecant square theta. I can write it as what? 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Now look at this. 1 plus cot to the power of 4 theta plus 2 cot square theta. Minus into plus is minus 1. Minus into plus is minus cot square theta. Now look at this. Plus 1 minus 1. It will get cancelled. Okay. Then what is left? Cot to the power of 4 theta. Cot to the power of 4 theta. This plus 2 cot square theta minus cot square theta is what? Plus 2 cot square theta minus cot square theta. It is plus cot square theta. Right? Therefore, I will write it as plus cot square theta. That is what our RHS. Okay. We have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.